Hey home improvement enthusiasts, here are today's home fix headlines. In real estate news, is the worst over for the housing market? A senior economist from PNC Bank is forecasting a 10% decline in house prices this year. In DIY news, while Google searches for naked gardening are most popular in New York City and Austin, Texas, the best city for naked gardening is Miami, Florida, according to Lawn Starter. In tech news, a man who cut off part of his pinky while building a mini golf course for his son now has a free 3D printed prosthetic thanks to a New York City 3D printing enthusiast. In safety news, May is National Electrical Safety Month. The National Fire Protection Association is promoting electric-powered micromobility safety for cars and e-bikes. To find out more, go to esfi.org. For more about these stories and handy home improvement tips and how-tos, head over to myfixituplife.com.